Hello and welcome back to the Binance cloning page video homepage. Today we will continue to build an Binance homepage cloning page, and once we finished the part of the Cristiano Ronaldo image, we will continue to build and come on to the next section of the page. And popular currencies, it's like that. It's include a table and a button to view more markets, and also it's include this button and this text, right? So this is the next what we're gonna to build, so let's start. So after we will open the code editor, we need to create in the layout a new folder. We name it popular currencies, like that. Like always, we need to create a JSX file. But I want the popular will be with the capital P. Let's just copy the name here. JSX. Also we need another CSS. So here we can let's import the styles from because it's too much long. I prepared it before, so I can just copy paste it. You can actually copy this or you can I include the source code below the video in the description, so you can just go copy the GitHub source and track on the code and look what I'm doing, so it will be much faster for you. And another way, you can just copy from on the screen. Here we need to import the link, and also the right arrow. What is what? Short, yeah, it's arrow short. So after this div, we need another div with name, last price, 24 for house change and marketplace. If you want, this basically these names. Here we basically working on this project, but for some reason I see it's not up, so I will run it quickly. npm run dev. It should be work for us. We'll wait for a second. Let's see what the port R is. 3001. So let's, yep, it should appear on the screen. Now let's check. This tab, this is the complete project of the Binance homepage cloning. As you can see, this is on build, right? So here we basically needs to be below the, so from this means that we not include a popular currencies. We need to include a popular currencies inside the main page ESX. So we need to import here popular currencies. I see it. This is it. And now I need to include it here. So let's check if we see something on build. And yep, you can see it here. It's without the CSS, so it's okay. I need just to see it appear on the screen for now, and we can continue to build. Now I need to create another div. Will be a big one. I hate these names. It's so long. The popular cryptocurrencies. So we need to start include links. So image we need to import. Yep. All right. So next link. I prepared these all elements before the video, so I don't want the video to be too much long. You can copy it from the screen, or I share the source code below the video on the GitHub, so it's not be such a big problem to follow after me in the code. You can just go below the video and open the GitHub and see the whole code is existing out there. So I just want to run on the video, so it's not be too much. Now you can see how it look like, all the elements on the screen, on our screen. Now we need to start a CSS, write a CSS. So it's after we will write the CSS, it's becoming look much nicer. So like always, I start to copy because I prepared it before. In any way, if you now look, I will write it sentence after sentence, and you look on this, you will not understand what I'm doing, because the names here is too much long, and I suggest you open in source code and follow and try to understand what I am doing. Now we go to copy the currencies. Nope. So now I will copy the media queries also. Alright, I copy all the things, it's a lot of code on build. Alright, so now it's look much better than let's see if it's look yep, it's look the same from a little bit from what I see for now. It's look the same. Alright, that's it. We finished here the section is ready. You can see when we hover it, it's becoming change the color, and here we have a button. Also here we have a button, and that's it. Thank you very much for the watching.